Close your eyes for a moment. Picture a child, maybe your own, seeing a gummy bear. That sparkle in their eyes, that uncontainable joy, a small moment full of magic. For many, it's just a sweet treat. For us, it's a passion and a responsibility. Every gummy has a story. Behind every seamless production line lies a world of innovation, precision, and dedication. A masterpiece of partnership, experience, and quality. This has been our path since 1929. Welcome to Makat Candy Technology, a Syntegon company. We are passionate about technologies that shape the future of gummies and jellies in their production and packaging. At Syntegon, we are your strategic lifecycle partner. We deliver seamless processes that help build better businesses, innovative technologies that enable our customers to lead in their markets, and sustainable solutions that empower future-ready operations. These principles guide everything we do and drive our commitment to creating lasting value. Our machine portfolio covers cutting-edge technologies for the confectionery and nutraceutical industries. Proud of our German engineering roots, grounded, quality-driven, and tradition-conscious. At our Application Technology Center, every idea begins with you and your product. Together, we turn gummy visions into reality, developing formulations, refining processes, and designing unique product formats. Our experts train and support your teams, ensuring efficiency and lasting success. And we stay by your side with Syntegon's global maintenance and service support, on-site or remote, keeping your production reliable and future-ready. True partnership for us means understanding your ambitions and help you grow beyond them. Being connected to our gummy experts means being connected to our entire ecosystem, working together to address today's challenges and anticipate tomorrow's needs. We co-create with purpose and co-succeed with impact, from the first idea to project completion and beyond.